Central Michigan University is a well-respected institution known for its academic excellence and exceptional programs. As a student, you may be wondering if CMU has a transfer credit policy that can help you achieve your educational goals.
I am interested in transferring to CMU, but I am not sure if my previous credits will be accepted.
Well, the good news is that CMU does have a transfer credit policy, which allows students to transfer in credits from other institutions.
Our transfer credit policy is designed to help students maximize their previous education and reduce the amount of time it takes to earn their degree.
But navigating the transfer credit process can be confusing and overwhelming. That's where Study Metro can help. Study Metro is a student-centered education consultancy that specializes in helping students transfer to universities around the world, including CMU.
Our team of experienced consultants can help you navigate the transfer credit process, ensuring that you receive credit for as many of your previous courses as possible.
With Study Metro, you can be confident that you're making the most of your previous education and accelerating your path to graduation. So if you're interested in transferring to Central Michigan University, contact Study Metro today to learn more about how we can help you achieve your educational goals. Like, share, and subscribe to Study Metro for more awesome content.